Assalamu alaikum everyone. So now let's begin the quiz of past continuous, which is also known as past progressive tense. Question number 1. While I dash wash, okay, now you have to select suitable helping verb और उसके साथ साथ वर्ब की जो कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म है यानी कि जो फोर्थ फॉर्म है वो भी आपने सेलेक्ट करनी है. ओके. While I dash my shirt, the power suddenly went off. ओके. Watched अगर हम लगाएंगे तो वो पास्ट सिंपल हो जाएगा, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. सेकेंड ऑप्शन तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट है, हैड वॉच्ड. एंड सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओवर हियर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, तो हमारे सेंटेंस को भी हम अगर उसका मतलब भी देखें, सो इट इज शोइंग द कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन and with that one completed action. So while I was washing my shirt, the power suddenly went off. Question number 2. During 7 PM to 9 PM, okay, मतलब कोई एक certain period of time की बात हो रही है कि उसके दरमियान क्या कर रहा था मैं, I dashed my exams yesterday. So over here as well, past continuous, I was studying for my exams yesterday. Okay जी. Now we are moving further. She has lived in this city. अच्छा, एग्जामिनर आपसे इस तरीके से पूछ सकता है कि कोई एक दूसरे टेंस का और एक दूसरी कैटेगरी का आपको सेंटेंस दे सकता है एंड ही कैन आस्क यू कि प्लीज़ चेंज इट इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, सो शी इज़ लिविंग इन दिस सिटी, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. नो, शी वॉज लिविंग इन दिस सिटी. ओके, यस दैट इज़. लेकिन थर्ड ऑप्शन भी पढ़ लेते हैं. शी हैड बीन लिविंग इन दिस सिटी. That's past perfect continuous. So I'm gonna go with second option because that's correct. Past continuous. She was living in the city. Now Sarah was studying here in this class, but when she got scholarship, so she left. Okay. Now here examiner may ask you to identify the mistake in this sentence. Over here mistake जो है वो past continuous वाले phrase में है, क्योंकि was study नहीं बल्कि was studying होगा. You will have to put fourth form of the verb. Okay. Now I dash feeling well, so I asked for day off. Okay. So यहाँ पे आपने negative statement को use करना है. So you need to select suitable negative impression and helping verb to complete this sentence. I was not feeling well. I did not feeling well. या फिर I weren't feeling well. Obviously I के साथ हमेशा was लगता है and then not, so I was not feeling well, so I asked for day off. Now it dash snowing yesterday. What's the answer over here? It was, it had, or it were being? Yes, so the answer is very simple. It was snowing yesterday. या मैं कहूँ कि it was raining yesterday. So you know both are same in past continuous tense. Then students were dash on an important issue. Okay, here debating. Okay, only spelling mistake यहाँ पे की हुई है इन्होंने ऑप्शन के अंदर. So the correct spelling of debating word is the first one, DEBATING. Students were debating on an important issue. Now identify the tense. I was waiting for the taxi. Can you please identify the tense? Is it past simple? Is it past progressive? Or is it past perfect? So the right option over here is past progressive. Yes, it is also known as past continuous. So please confuse mat hoiyega whenever an examiner is asking change this into past progressive tense. So it means past continuous ही है. Last, everyone dash congratulating Ali on his achievement. ओवर हियर बहुत सारे लोग कभी कभार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि एवरीवन तो प्लूरल के अंदर आता है और कुछ कहते हैं नहीं, एवरीवन इज़ अ सिंगुलेटिव वर्ड. सो येस, इट इज़ सिंगुलर वर्ड. जब सब के सब मिल जाते हैं तो वो मतलब एक कंबाइन करके एक ग्रुप बन जाता है. सो एवरीवन was is the correct answer. Sometimes students may confuse over here and they put everyone were congratulating. No, that's not correct. Everyone was congratulating Ali on his achievement. So that was all about the past progressive tense quiz, and I'll be attaching some of the links of more past continuous tense quizzes in the description of this video, so you can go and check it out and you can solve that. You can attempt those quizzes. Inshallah, it will really help you. Thank you so much. Hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Infomercial.